Hi viewers, OpenAI Sora brings a lot of challenge and potential for many industries. I'd like to share some ideas to make money using Sora. If you are also thinking about it, it would be cool to know the tips before Sora is publicly released. Here are some ideas. Content creation. Sora provides you the ability to turn your imagination into incredible high-quality AI videos. So you can generate eye-catching videos and post them on social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, etc. This could involve creating explainer videos, entertainment content, turning novels into AI videos or comics, or even creating AI models like virtual influencers. There are already some examples of these content creation. You might have seen some of these kinds of AI videos on social media. Some of the creators have earned quite a lot from these videos. When Sora comes out, the AI video quality will be next level and bring more to these content creators. Think about the niche you like and there is a chance to earn money from the platform. Freelance services. Offer video creation services. Use your skills in creating Sora-generated videos to people on some platforms. But ensure the ethical and legal guidelines are followed before using Sora for commercial purposes. As prompting is also crucial for good outputs, prompt writing is a very useful skill. You could use your expertise in crafting effective prompts for specific video styles or goals. Other approaches. Promote products or services related to Sora or some other AI tools and earn commissions on sales. Or if you have some coding skills, it's possible to develop and build tools and resources that make Sora easier to use or more accessible for specific user groups, such as developing tools to upscale Sora-generated images or videos to 4K, even higher quality as the default resolution is only 1080p. I will also put some of the AI tools I found useful in the description. There might be other ways to make money which I didn't mention. Leave your comments below if you have other good ideas. Anyway, the market is evolving and quality always matters. It's essential that we stay updated on trends and develop strong skills to produce high-quality content for our target audience. If you find this video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more latest AI tools and tips. Thanks for watching.